Good morning, children. Today in our English literature, let us take page number 60. The second last paragraph. Page number 60. Finding a new spring. These days we have been continuously studying this particular chapter, and today we are live class. And in live class, I have completed this particular chapter, but I am going to give you something for those students who did not attend my class. Now let us take page number 60, page 60, second last paragraph. Suddenly he saw a small clump of grass, clump of grass. See, clump of grass means here a small patch of grass. Small patch of grass. So in the desert, this particular leader or the trader saw some grass. So he had a question in his mind, why this grass are living? So let us see what happens. He thought, without water, no plant could live in the desert. So without water, no plant could live in the desert. So that was the doubt. So he was thinking that we can get water, therefore he will start digging. So he called the most energetic fellow travelers and asked them to dig up the spot. Energetic, here energetic. A most powerful person, most powerful or energetic person. He called and he said, energetic or healthy person, someone who is very active, powerful and active. So he called and he told to dig the ground. Next time. Spot, place. Next slide. They continued digging for some time and found a large rock. So they continuously started digging the place and they found a large bed of rocks there. Now what will they do? They have to break the rock. Once again, they continued digging for some time and found a large rock. So very big rock they have found, and then now they have to break it. Next time, the men gave up digging at once. They give up. They left. Give up. They left the digging, thinking they had hit a bed of rocks, and that there was no water underneath. So bed of rock here means a flat rock. Bed of rock. Bed of rock, flat rock which is under the ground. So they found, and therefore they have no hope that they will be able to go under that. Next line. But the trader said, no, my friends, if we give up now, our poor animals will die. If we don't find water, our poor animal will die. So they have to dig the ground. We will also die from the heat. Too much heat was there, therefore they will also die. Please continue digging. Therefore don't stop. Rather you continuously dig the ground. He handed a heavy hammer to the young man standing near him and said, strike this rock with all your might. Strike, hit it, hit the rock, then might, with all power, full power, in other words, full power, hit the rock with full power so that it will break it, so that it will break and then water will come out from there. Next part. The man lifted the hammer over his head and hit the rock as hard as he could. So this man tried his level best to break the rock. Strike it or break it here, break the rock. Okay. Next line. Everyone was surprised when the rock spilled into and a mighty stream of water gushed out from under it. Spilled. Become two pieces. Become two pieces. Okay. Or became two pieces or become two parts. And then water started coming, gushed out. Gushing here means flowed out. So water started coming out from there. Next slide. The people of the caravan were extremely happy. They were too much happy. So they drank from the stream. Stream is small fountain. Stream. It is like a small river, stream. Small fountain. So water started coming from there and then they were very happy. Next line. The people of the caravan were extremely happy. They drank from the stream, bathed, washed their animals, cooked their food and rested. So they had bath, they gave water to the animals, they cooked food and then after drinking water they rested. They thanked their leader for his perseverance and presence of mind. Soon they safely made their way safely across the desert. So what happened, my dear children? These people, this group of children started moving from there after filling their stomach, after eating food and rest. They got up and then what happened? They started moving from there and they might have gone to that particular main market or the trade center and they might have sold their goods. So my dear children, we learn from this particular story that if we do hard work, we will achieve success. So I end my class here, my dear students. Thank you very much to everyone.